silang alam sa ginawa ng hairstylist. So, anyways, then, so, of course, we're here for the press conference of Imono and Lavico. You can ask, kung kwento siya about the wedding, you can ask her anything about the wedding, about Imono. Pero yan, let's leave it to that. Yan. So, simulan natin. Unang magtatanong is Mr. Gorgie Luna. Ay, ikaw ka agad, di ba? Kasi excited ka, di ba? Yes, Gorgie. Yan.
Okay lang. So yung na-mention mo kanina, you use the locket hair.
Yes.
Na Imono yun. Aside from that, may iba ka bang ginamit? Or every time you go out, may Imono ka ba talaga?
Yes, yes.
Nakilig ka ba talaga sa lakas?
Nakilig ako sa mga bagay that I know is sturdy. I won't get stressed also na parang using it since I'm very active as a person. So it's something that I actually carry around. Even if if I change to like my gym outfit and if I wear something fashionable, I know it will fit everything. So mahilig ako sa ganun kasi.
Ang sabi nila kasi, isa sa magandang investment, alahas. Diba? So you can say ba na magandang investment ng Imono jewelry?
Yes, of course.
Ma-convince ang mga mahilig sa alahas.
Yes, I mean, of course, kasi for someone like me also who enjoys fashionable things, but also, I don't wanna, how do I say it? Like, it fits everyone's budget as well. You know what I mean? Kasi to be able to showcase something beautiful, it's not just always about the taglines. It's about the beauty of what you're using and how you carry it yourself as well. So I think it will suit anyone, and if I'm wearing it, I'm proud to say that it's something that I'm really proud of wearing.
Tuloy-tuloy ka na sa Imono. Parang, ano ba, perpetual na ito?
It's been how many years, and I'm very grateful to be part of this
Kasi
company.
what's yung sinasabi ni Imono? Okay, so last na lang, kumusta na yung adjustments, Mrs. Ano yung mga setup mo?
Well, the adjustment is that we're still doing long distance. Well, because I'm here, but then went straight back to work. Actually, Tita June knows a week after the wedding, dumiretso na ako, and then straight to taping after work. So,
Actually, less than a week.
yeah, less than a week, and I was still dazed, but then back to work. We didn't have he's very understanding. My husband. Wow, it's so weird. I still find it weird using the word husband.
Pero do you see yourself now, darating yung version out? Ngayon, ano na siya? Either dun ba sa England o dito?
That is something that Monty and I still have to talk about. Kasi right now, I'm just very happy that he's very understanding of my job. And then whatever it is naman, when I'm filming, it's me still always traveling. Whether it's gonna be here or out of the country. So he's taking it in a positive way. He wants to see me shine and succeed as an individual. So kaya sobrang swerte ko na ganun siya. He's not, I know we're on the next level, next stage, but then he still wants to see me fly. So
Thank you. Si Dodo naman tanong ko.
Hindi, iinom na sa dali sila. Ipag-doon. Siyempre, nag-iipon sila ng miles. Oo, marami na sila.
Kasi tatanong ko, ready ka na magka-baby. Dodo na magtanong. Bakit ako? Tinanong niya niya sa atin.
Hindi, kasi
Kasi
hindi, kasi labi, actually, yung iba, akala, buntis ka na lang. Hindi tanong sa akin. Pero sabi ko, hindi mo nakikita, pre exercise, maaga pa lang.
Well, wala pa siya sa plans. So far, right now, we just want to focus sa work and us being together. Yun.
Ano sa yung honey mo?
Wala pa.
Wala pa din.
So if you guys have any suggestions, meron siyang box. Put in locations na pwede namin puntahan. Please.
May mga bula akong nag-question sa imo.
Yes.
Kung give us an idea kung magkano.
Oh my God, that's for Miss Goldie to
Yeah,
answer.
Miss Cody, ang galing mo na dito. Ilamin ka ulit namin. Oo, pwede bang pakipresyohan? Kasi si Dondon gusto niya kasi isuot ko mo dito. Gusto niya mo rin. Magkano ba itong ano?
These are different layers.
So this one is separate. How much this one?
The average price tag is around from 700, 800 to 1,500. That's the maximum already. So 1,500 and below. But pag suot ni Labi, of course.
Bakit hindi siya mura pa? Bakit siya?
Oh, because we don't, I mean, we want to, the brand is aspirational brand. So we don't want it, we want to make it affordable, attainable for everyone, you know. And still providing beautiful jewelry, beautiful quality jewelries. And it's also made of stainless steel, so it doesn't tarnish and it's hypoallergenic. Yes, that's the most important thing.
Yeah, that's why I'm using nga dito sa ko while I'm working out. Even if I'm sweating, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng allergic reaction. Kasi usually then when I'm on set, before in the past, when I would use something else, syempre mainit pag nag-taping. Tapos for example, tumatama yung ears, tapos makate and all. I've never experienced that in my life. So I'm just so happy nga that, it's something that's very affordable, attainable nga sa lahat ng tao. And it looks really, really beautiful. Especially, pag yung sense of fashion mo lumabas, you put together different pieces like what you're gonna see outside. Kasi nga, there are different boxes and I put them all together. So, ikaw bahala kung paano nga yung stylist and ganyan.
Nag-mix and match.
Yeah, nag-mix and match. So this is like, combine niya ng different sets. It's also jewelry. So.
Yan, thank you, Gabi. Natuwa sila, narinig nila na yung hypoallergenic yung kimono, di ba? Hindi ka kinakate, oo. Yan, natawa si Bobby. Kasi si Bobby, nakakaroon na ng itchiness lang. Actually, yun ang he's known for that. Bakit siya? Siyempre, aside ng entertainment press, kasama rin po natin joining us sa press conference na to. Ang mga taga-lifestyle, eto, magtatanong siya, siyempre, ang yaman nito. Miss Heidi na, Lifestyle Asia Songstar. Halika Heidi, si Heidi kaibigan ko ni Luba Gutierrez eh. Oh, Heidi, di ba kanina I was talking to you, sabi mo, you're so excited to ask Labi. May mga hinanda pong questions si Miss Heidi na, yes Heidi, picture, this is Heidi from Lifestyle. Heidi, yeah, it's your turn to ask Labi.
The question now, I think everyone's also curious, because when you just got married to someone who's really not from here. Are you going to do this long distance? Because you'll be still based here, ba? What's your next plan? How are you physically going to do it?
Yung medyo hindi nakinig si Heidi, no? Nasagot ko natin yung part ng tanong mo kanina. Pero ito, ano ba talaga
Right now, kasi, I always answer like, it's like in between places na talaga ako. Like, I've said earlier, I basically have 3 homes already.
I heard that.
So, I mean like,
LA, UK.
and so parang, it's gonna be tough in terms of like, syempre nakakapagod to travel back and forth, but then I'm a firm believer that you can do anything and everything as long as you have the proper mindset. So sabi ko nga, the fact that I was able to head back straight to work after getting married, less than a week, and was able to like fly from UK to Manila, Manila to Manila, every day, doing everything. I think it's possible as long as your mindset is, as long as you're ready, you have the proper mindset, and you're doing it for the right things. I have my career, I want to have the proper balance for things like that. And it's just great that I have a good support system around me. My husband is very supportive, and also I have a great team here who's helping me with work. So, in between talaga.
Yes, ang bongga. Thank you, Heidi. Yung line, Miss Heidi. Yan. Oh, ikaw ba, Heidi? Alam ko, ang mga alahas mo, million na talaga. You will also use Imono.
Yes, ang cute. May
Very
may
affordable.
nakain na ako na dalawa.
Asaan?
Yung dun, yung parang mukhang Tiffany na may lock.
Coming from Miss Heidi, alam natin ito ang very Tiffany ang dating, di ba?
Very
Oh.
nice, very nice.
Thank you,
Wala mo
Heidi.
na.
Yan, oh. Kaibigan siya ni Uber. Oh, di ba? Ang social niya, mayaman siya. Oo. Pero yan, kanina yun, kasi yung mga tanong na nila about yung how's your day, Mrs. Blanco, ayan, mag-artista ka ba ba? Sabi ka, ano, actually, ito yung actually, isa sa pinaka-touching moment during the reception na, ito na yung reception na talagang lahat kami naiyak. Oo. Kasi nag-speak si Senator Grace po, Lavi's sister, talaga naman, she really thanked Monty for still allowing Lavi na maipagpatuloy yung career. Kasi even si Senator Grace, nangihinayang. Nilapitan mo after, niyakap mo, nagkaiyakan kayo ni Grace, na lahat kami naiyak. Oo, oo. Ako naiyak ako kasi yung dessert ko wala pa ng resto. Pero sila, talagang sobrang nag-touch si Lavi sa sinabi ni Senator Grace ang ate niya. So, can you tell us more about that?
Actually, oh my God, looking back sa wedding, alam mo yung sinasabi nila na you'll never take this day back, so be present in every moment. Yun talaga yung testament ko, especially because that was such a special moment for me, for all of us, for me and Monty. Parang, kung pwede ko lang balikan ulit yung time na yun, babalikan ko. But syempre, we can't take that day back, so enjoy the present. But anyway, naiyak talaga ako, of course, kay Ate Grace. I didn't wanna bug her and ask her to say anything na kaya. Pero, she's such a wonderful human being that I can't even express how grateful I am. Talagang, how she is towards me and my brother, parang, it was just such a magical moment. And I was just so happy when she started speaking there. Talagang, everyone from Monty's side, from his friends to his family, they were so amazed kay Ate Grace kasi nakita nila what type of person she is. Like, she's like this strong, intelligent woman na talagang when I was sitting there, parang, that's my ate, I'm so proud. So, it was such a great moment and I'm grateful that she was there and she was my matron of honor.
Oo, talagang sobrang mahal ka ni Senator Grace. Alam mo what she told me? Kasi sabi niya, she even thanked me. Kasi nalaman niya na from the very start, I'm your publicist. Talaga, nakaka-touch siya. Sobrang mahal ka ni Senator Grace, no? O, tapos narinig ko, bumulong siya sa'yo, can you also give me Imono heart doctor? Oo, di ba? Ang galing. Oo. Siyempre, eto, next naman tatanong. Bobby Riquentina of Manila Bulletin. Hi, Bobby. Oo. Huwag mo na i-correct yung tungkol sa pagiging masakit. Okay, so, yan.
Labi, actually, number one, at what point did you realize na si Monty na talaga ang naman? Like,
Oh my
ginawa ko siya
gosh,
sa akin na
it's so hard.
talaga lang sa milk ang puso mo.
Hirap sabihin. Kasi, so cheesy, but it's when I met him for the first time. It's not the first time we met, pero it was that week. I never understood when people say, you just know when you know. And yun, naramdaman ko lang siya eventually. Of course, I didn't want to assume or jump into conclusions kasi nga, we were living, he's from LA, and dito ako sa Manila. Hindi ko naman in-expect na magkikita kami ulit. But, you know, that's how it is. I guess, when you want to make something work, you make it work. So, sobrang long distance relationship is difficult. But then yun nga, it's a waste of time if the person isn't worth it. But then it's great when things work out eventually. Kasi it involves hard work talaga.
In your career, ano ba, magiging limited, or choosing, or limited na pa yung mga projects na gagawin mo now that you're married?
Actually, no. I feel like as an actress talaga, one thing na natutunan ko is I just want to keep portraying different characters. Yun naman talaga yung trabaho namin bilang actors. Of course, some people choose to do the same kind of roles, the same kind of characters. As you can see, things are very different for me. I want to do something that's a bit out of the box and crazy. Sometimes it's conventional. So, depends din naman talaga. I think it's what feeds my soul. I want to do something new, and every time I do something new, parang it unleashes this different passion inside of me talaga. And mahal ko talaga yung ginagawa ko. So, I just want to keep doing it.
Okay, last question. How about getting married to Putin?
Sorry?
Plan to get married to
In the Philippines, I think that's...
Do you like that?
I think we're gonna keep it na lang that one as our wedding. We have no plans to get married in the Philippines. It's not something that we actually talked about yet. But hopefully we get to celebrate with our loved ones, because of course that was hard for us then not to be able to have everyone celebrate with us, especially my side. But then hopefully even like a small celebration would be nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yan, okay. Ayan, mag-share na lang kami ni Labi kasi sumasahod yung mic pag dalawa. Oh, pero at least sa patunayan namin na dalawa ang budget for the mic. Ito ang next na magtatanong. Let's all welcome Ogie Nabas Rodriguez. Ogie, halika magtanong ka dito kasi kapit ka. Kasi hindi na natin i-take yung segment natin. Dito ka. Yan. Dito ka nga. Hindi mo magagawa.
Nag-shoot nga ako.
Segment natin show natin.
Kasi sila, lagi tayo nakakasama sa mga photoshoot.
Yes.
So, sino yung kumukuha ng mga accessories mo, yung stylist, o ikaw personal?
Kasi maganda nga yung pag-style mo eh.
So, binibigyan ka ba ng imon ng complete set nila, tapos ikaw na lang yung design or stylist pa rin?
Actually, collaboration talaga siya, both of us. Like recently, since nandun ako nag-taping ng Batang Quiapo, and I saw the store ng Imono, I started seeing things na parang, oh, this seems something that I want to wear, and then I would take photos of it, and then I was like, I want this, and I can wear this for this event, and so, yun nga, open to collaborate din talaga. And also, kanina when I was trying to choose what I was gonna wear today, nahirapan kami ng stylist mo.
Dahil sa dami.
Sinuot na namin lahat. Sinusuotin mo na lahat. So yeah.
So, even sa mga photoshoot lahat?
Yes. And also, I always tell them na parang, for example, my assistant, I always tell her na, can you please ask for this piece so I can use it for Batang Quiapo? So,
Thank you.
Ilan? One question ka lang, Ogie, next yung participation mo sa show. Anyways, eto, may mga iba pang lifestyle na kasama natin. Pero before tawagin natin isa pang lifestyle, Miss Marinel Cruz of Inquirer, yan, nakatingin siya sa akin. Kailan kaya ako tatawagin? So, nagulat ka, tinawag na kita. Yes, Marinel.
Hi, Lovey. Hi. You mentioned kanina na sobrang difficult yung LDR. Can you share some pointers, tips para sa mga, for others?
okay, tips, I guess, you know what they always say, na parang in a relationship, na parang, it's always, you should appreciate the things that the other person does for you. Of course, that's a big factor. But you should also appreciate the things that he doesn't do. You know what I mean? It's like, sometimes that's another way of proving that someone appreciates you and loves you, because may mga bagay na hindi mo na kailangan sabihin, na huwag gawin. So, do you understand where I'm coming from? It's the things that he or your partner wouldn't even dare to do. So parang, I think that's what made it work for both of us, is we have respect for each other. there are things, we don't give each other limitations. We don't stop each other from like, going out or having fun. But nasa sa amin na yun kung what we should do to not make our partners feel uncomfortable. Siguro that's one thing that ang mapapayo ko sa pag nasa isang long distance relationship kayo is to let your partner grow and also know your limitations as well. It's up to you naman eh. Parang doon mo naman mapaprove ang love ng isang tao para sa'yo kung sa mga bagay din na hindi niya gagawin.
Okay, last question. When it comes to yung relationship with the family, kasi ang mga Filipinos, di ba, very family-oriented. Kamusta yung relationship ng family mo with him and vice versa?
Oh, Monty's family is super family-oriented. Like, sabi ko nga dun sa vows ko na parang he changed my perception about family as well. Parang, when you see kasi how they are as a family, parang they set a good example. They're all driven sa careers nila. But despite all this, even with so much success, parang the main thing about the family is their love for each other and yung togetherness and pagiging one more. So I think that's admirable more than anything. Kasi ako, I'll be honest, of course, I love my family, but I grew up with my sister and my mom only. So it's always been the three of us. It's a very close circle.
Has
So-
he able to penetrate that circle?
Oh yeah. I mean, like, my sister is like super close with Monty kasi they were both in LA now. So they're all hanging out without me. I'm on set, naka-FaceTime ako sa kanila. Tapos, okay guys, magkasama sila.
Sa
So,
mom mo, sa mom.
my mom is here. My mom is here, but then super close din sila. And yeah, so my mom approves. That's hard. It's hard for my mom to approve something. So,
Ano na siya?
so
Ever since.
Monty is like, yeah.
Thank you, love you.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Marinel. Let's welcome Micaela Yuson of Metro Lifestyle. Hi, Micaela. Yeah, Micaela. Wala ba siya?
Akala ko kilala mo.
Micaela pala pangalan. Ako na? Sige, sige. Yes. Kala ko may nagpalit ka ng pangalan.
Thank you. Actually, man, kasi ang mga tao, naisip kagad na, ano naman yan sa character ni Mocha, lalo na yung pinasalita. Ano yung future ng character ni Mocha sa lahat?
Actually, when it comes to the future of the character, even kaming mga actors were not sure about what's gonna happen next. Kasi nga we follow a script talaga. So we're just looking forward to where it's gonna lead. Like since it's very impromptu, like on the spot sometimes, that's where it dictates and where it's gonna lead.
Your thoughts na ngayon, grabe.
I'm sorry, medyo hindi ka yata nakinig kanina na start. No question about Batang Quiapo. This is not Batang Quiapo sa I'm sorry about that. Oo, pero nagsabi na ako kanina. So,